We'll guide you through how to extract audio from a video on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've got a video and you want to go and get the audio and sound extracted from it into its own file. We're going to guide you through the steps and how that can be done on an iPhone. So you may go and have the video in the Photos app, I've got it here, or alternatively, you may go and have it in the Files app as well. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through how you can do it for either of them. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. So by default, it's going to be on the second page in Utilities, and as you can see, it's in the Utilities folder called Shortcuts. Otherwise, you can drag down and go and type in Shortcuts and open it up this way as well. Now, what you want to do is go to the bottom left and you want to go and press Library and you'll be brought here. So what we can do here is go and create a shortcut with the steps in it to go and extract it. We're going to guide you through what you need to do step by step. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything. Head to the top right and you can go and press the plus like so. Here you then want to go and press search. We're going to start with typing encode and you want to go and select encode media. Now you want to go and press the media option there and you want to go and press shortcut input. Then it's going to go and get this pop up here. You can press the arrow to the right of shortcut input first though. And what you want to do is go and switch on audio only. Then you can go and press format and you can go and choose the format you want. There's M4A or AIFF. I use M4A. You can then choose the speed, keep that as normal. I don't change the metadata. Now you want to go to the top where it says receive and you can leave that for receive apps and 18 more. Then you can press from and you want to go and select show in share sheets like so and then press the tick. Now what you need to do is you want to go down and we need to press search in search actions. Type in save and you need to select save file like so. Then it should go and say save encoded media and you can press the arrow to the right and make sure that ask where to save is switched on just like this. After you've got that set up, you want to go to the top and you can press the arrow and you can press rename. You can then go and name this. I name it extract audio, just like so. And then we can go and press the tick in the bottom right. So you've now made that shortcut. Now you need to go to where the video is, whether that's in your Files app or in Photos, it doesn't matter. So in this case, I'll do it in Files. So I'll open it up, tap on the video like so we can see it. Now you need to go to the bottom left or bottom right and go and find the share button. That will vary, tap on it. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you need to go and find the shortcuts. So you remember I made one called extract audio. So then what you can do is go and tap there. You then get this pop up and you can choose where you want to go and extract it to. So in this case, I'll put it in a folder called extract. Then I'll go and press open. Now go and let it complete and now it's gone and extracted it. And I'll come into this folder and there it is. So that is the extracted audio file.